Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk a little bit about what is happening to this reflation trade that we're seeing all over the world and how it is impacting growth estimates, because things are changing. As I explain in my book, Escape from the Central Bank Trap, one of the traps that this liquidity environment is generating is the expectations of increased inflation and expectations of higher growth that end up being a lot less than what was initially expected. Look at copper, for example. Copper continues to be on a downward trend, and that is something that we need to pay a lot of attention, because copper is a clear indicator of economic growth and industrial activity. Think of China as well. China has posted a 6.9% growth for the first quarter of 2017. However, that growth comes predominantly from more public spending and the property bubble. So we have to be extremely worried for one simple reason. This 6.9% growth comes with a 12.5% increase in debt. Therefore, we have to be at least concerned about the fact that China is not taking the drastic measures required to stop the imbalances on its economy. We also have to take a look at oil, because oil continues to be in a lateral trend. It doesn't move further away from $55 Brent, even with the OPEC cuts and with all these better estimates of growth, which shows how well supplied the market is, and therefore reflation expectations are neither supported by higher oil prices nor Chinese economy, nor the improvements in other commodities, particularly copper. But let's also think of what's happening in the US. The US needs to go back to sound money, and quickly. Sound money is a very important factor to improve the situation in the US, to improve growth, to develop further, to increase both jobs and demand estimates. As I explain, Escape from the Central Bank Trap, if we don't do that, if we don't go back to supply side measures, it's going to be quite challenging to continue to show the levels of growth that the economy requires so badly. So the fact that there has been a delay on the tax reform, the fact that there has been a delay on the healthcare reform, the fact that there's going to be also a significant delay on the budget, all these things, and whatever is happening with the infrastructure plan that seems to be forgotten, are worrying trends. The US government cannot go back to the demand side policies that have failed for so many countries. It is proven to generate more debt, lower growth, and a worse off environment for the middle class. It needs to recover the supply side policies, and it needs to recover those policies that actually work to deliver better growth and better earnings and better demand, both at the microeconomic level but also on a grander scale. Thank you very much.